Welcome back, everyone. So today I'm going to give you another example about circuit breaker, power circuit breaker setup. So move your mouse cursor to the right side and pick your low voltage circuit breaker. This circuit breaker is called circuit breaker 1. Double click on circuit breaker symbol and go to rating. In type section, choose power circuit breaker. Click on library and type I and choose ITE Imperial as a manufacturer and move down and try to find K 1600 0.6 and 2 pole 0.6 K volt and 2 pole. Sizes 1600 amp and short circuit peak 0.6 K volt. And they have different model for side state trip. I'm going to pick SS5. And also rating ID is 1600. Press OK. Go to trip device. You can see all the information here and all the sensor I have 1000. Go to your plug setting. I have 600, 1000 and 1600 plug setting. I'm going to pick 1000. And again, as you can see, I can adjust my long time, short time, and instantaneous pickup current. For long time, I prefer to move or continue with 1, for short time 4, and for instantaneous 10. I'm going to set my LT band to intermediate and my ST band to maximum. So let's take a look to the number I have. My long time pickup current is 1 multiply 1000, 1000 amp. My short time 4 multiply 1000, 4000 amp. And my instantaneous is equal to 10 multiply 1000, 10,000 amp. Let's set this one to a smaller number, 6. So my pickup for instantaneous is 6000 amp. LT band, long time band intermediate, and short time band maximum. Press OK. So definitely you know you need to choose, select your circuit breaker, move your mouse cursor to start protection and coordination, and choose create a star view. So as you can see, I have my delay or phase overcurrent and instantaneous overcurrent time delay. If you would like to have better quality, definitely you know you need to click on plot option, access. I'm going to change this font to 10 to see my current and voltage number with better quality. My multiplier is 100 and I am displaying 100 multiplied 10 1000 K amp current. If you are going to cut this one, so definitely there is a solution here. You can click on your circuit breaker. You can go to TCCKA. So TCCKA is calculated. I can set user define and I'm going to set this one to 20 K amp. Press OK. Now as you can see here, I just try to display my current to 20 K amp, not more than 20 K amp. When you have this one, if you would like to modify your current scale, definitely you can. You need to click on plot option, go to access, remove the auto scale, and set your scale to 10, or you can set your scale to 1. So I believe 10 for this example is better. So if you would like to see more extended time or current for instantaneous section, you can do exactly same things. Click on circuit breaker, go to TCCKA, and I can modify this one to 50K. And this one is my new curve. So let's display a specification of this circuit breaker with better quality. So right click and set or click on setting. When you have this one, right click and go to plot option. So ID font, I prefer to use 14, and label setting also I prefer to use 14. Apply and press OK. So this one is my circuit breaker specification. To finish this section, click on your circuit breaker again and try to move this window to the other side. My pickup current for long time delay is 1000. My LT band is intermediate. I'm going to set to minimum and take a look what will happen. I'm going to set this one to maximum. Take a look what will happen. So minimum, that means faster reaction. Maximum, that means a slower reaction. Greater time, higher time. So keep it on intermediate. Go to short time and try to set this one to mid intermediate or minimum. So I'm going to modify something to see this one better. So go to your instantaneous part and set your instantaneous pickup coefficient to 10. So 10 multiply 1000 is equal to 10,000. No, if I try to move from minimum to intermediate to maximum, you can see curve is going up, curve is going down. So minimum, that means fastest reaction, and maximum, that means slowest one. When you set up based on your new specification, press OK and go to your star view. So that's it. Thank you so much. And definitely, my YouTube channel name is Power Technology Academy. Don't forget to subscribe. And next time, I will add some information, some video about overcurrent protection. So I can use different overcurrent relay, electromagnetic relay, and a smart relay. So definitely I will start with overcurrent with electromagnetic relay, and after that I will continue with some smart relay. So thank you so much.